Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the hotspot name provides greater control and customization over your device hotspot functionality, making it more convenient, secure, and user-friendly. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Settings menu on your device. Well, so here select Connections and look for Mobile Hotspot and Tethering option. Tap on it. Okay, and here select the first one. After that, tap on Network Name to rename your hotspot network. Okay, after finishing, and then click Save here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.